In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT with images. So I have an image here and I just want to show you how you can use this image or how you can get ChatGPT to give you the exact details that are in this image. Now there are two methods that you can use ChatGPT with images, and let me show you this. Now the first method is uploading your image in ChatGPT. Now for this, what you need to do is to go to ChatGPT, and then once you are here, click on the plus icon to attach a file, and from here you select a file that you want to attach and upload it on ChatGPT. So when we click on that plus icon, it will take us to our computer, and I'll go ahead and select an image. It is under downloads. I'll select our image and click on open. Now as you can see, our image is being uploaded and is ready for use. And to get details about the image, you can ask ChatGPT to give you the details about the image. Alternatively, you can ask ChatGPT to give you the prompt for this image. For instance, if I ask ChatGPT to write for us a prompt in this image, ChatGPT will go ahead and give us details that are in this image. Click on enter and let ChatGPT write for us the details about this image. As you can see, this is how ChatGPT has described the image. So this is the prompt: a passionate male singer with curly blonde hair and beard, wearing a black leather jacket, holding a microphone and singing with intense emotion. He has his eyes closed and his mouth open wide, expressing deep feelings. The background is dark with dramatic lighting that highlights the face and hair, giving a warm and golden glow. The scene captures the energy and intensity of a live performance. Now you can see how ChatGPT gave a description. So that's how you use ChatGPT to describe details in an image. I want us to go ahead and try out and see if indeed this prompt will give us the exact creation using another AI tool. So for this, I'll go to Piclumen. Now Piclumen is a free AI tool. This is the website. So we want to go ahead and create an AI image for free using our prompt and see what Piclumen will create. So these are the previous images that I created using Piclumen. I want us to create another image, and to do this, we shall just click on create, and I'll paste our prompt here. This is the prompt from ChatGPT. So let's go ahead and click on it and see what comes out. Wow, look at that. So this is the image that we have created, and let's go and compare with the original image. So look at that. Now from this, you can see the emotions were well captured. The eyes are closed, the hair, the way it was described, the leather jacket as it is here, you can see. And from this, you can say indeed it went ahead and described. Look at that. So if you look at these two images, they are close to each other. This is very realistic. So that's how you use ChatGPT to describe or to obtain information about an image, and you can now use that information to create other images such as this one. So that is the first way you can use ChatGPT with images. Now the second way we can use ChatGPT with images is to use a URL. Now for instance, I want ChatGPT to give us information about an image, and let me just go ahead and select a different image. Say, for instance, say this image, and let me first go ahead and download this. All you need to do is to click on download. By the way, Piclumen is a free to use AI tool that you can go ahead and try out. So that's done. Now let's go ahead and get another way to get information from our image using ChatGPT. So I'll take this URL, and then we shall ask ChatGPT to give us details in this URL. Describe the details of the image in this URL. And then I'll go ahead and click on enter and see if it will be able to fetch the URL and then describe the image. Now look at that. So the image depicts a joyful woman passionately singing in a microphone. Wow, look at the description. And indeed, if you go back and look at the woman and look at these details, you can see, in fact, this is the exact photo. This is the exact image, if I'm not wrong. It goes ahead and extracts them from the internet and then gives us the details in the images. So by using any of these two methods, you can get details from an image using ChatGPT. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.